Hello bakers and welcome back to the third episode in our American Cereal Club mini-series. If you missed last week's recipe where we made the super summery Marshmallow Matey Eton Messes, then check out the links below in the description to catch up. But this week, I've got a brand new recipe for you. Nothing says comfort food like crumble, so we're giving the classic dessert a cereal twist with this Alpha Bit Berry Crumble. Summer fruits finished with a light topping that's packed with oats and cereally goodness. To begin, you'll want to add 500 grams of frozen summer fruits into a saucepan with 25 grams of dark brown sugar, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of water. Slowly bring to the boil for 3 to 4 minutes and then remove from the heat. For the crumble, you need to rub 250 grams of plain flour with 125 grams of butter until it resembles fine breadcrumbs. Add in 50 grams of caster sugar, 50 grams of oats, and 50 grams of your Alpha Bit cereal before mixing through. Pour your stewed fruits into a baking dish and gently spread the crumble mix over the top. Add a few more of your Alpha Bit cereals on top and then bake in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Once golden, cut into your crumble and serve with a generous helping of custard. And voila! Our Alpha Bit Berry Crumble is complete. Thank you so much for checking out another American Cereal Club recipe. If you liked it and you want to see more, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.